Okay, so we're here up in the mountains. We're camping, and I'm gonna make a great curry
This is how
today.
jungle chefs spice it up, Shimla style.
Hi there. Uh-oh. Tee-hee!
After all the tears and smoke, finally, jungle lunch is served. Shimla never disappoints.
Okay, everything's going in here. But
Heading down to the Gypsy. Let's see if this ride can keep up with my energy.
Hey guys, today we are in the gorgeous Shimla.
Okay, thank you for watching this vlog. So comment down, I am new in Shimla, which place I should visit next. Okay, bye.